remember that guy?
Burger King.
Yeah.
Taking care of business, Dave.
Yeah.
I was like, whoa.
He's all
Jeez, at least build yourself an outhouse with pallets or something. What you do?
Huh? I know there's sand trucks in the water.
I'm just doing this. Dude, don't drop that, please.
How would I do it? It's not like it'll go out the window.
Okay.
Unless we like shut it.
Yeah. That's the last thing.
Okay, everybody, welcome to the East Troy Railroad Museum. I have to use the dreaded microphone because I don't have a loud enough mouth to cover the whole car, although my wife would disagree. But so this way everybody can hear me, I hope. So welcome again to the East Troy Railroad Museum. Welcome to Harvest Fest, and also our 50th year of operating on the East Troy Railroad. And we'll talk a little bit about that. But a couple things. First of all, while we're underway, if everybody can stay in their seats, we don't have to stop too often, but believe it or not, sometimes people don't stop for trains at the intersection. I know that's hard to believe, but they don't. And we have to do an emergency stop. So we don't want anybody sliding up the aisle or pulling over. Also, when we get to the farmer, there's plenty to eat up there. You're welcome to indulge in all apple pies and everything. They have the nice gooky, yummy caramel apple stuff. But please, when you come back onto the train, no open food on the train, okay, or drink? So that, these cars are 100 years old, and they're very, very difficult to clean. Although I do have a mop and bucket in the closet here, and I'm not afraid to issue it. Okay. That's our fire extinguisher up there. And yes, these were bathrooms. Everybody asked me, were these bathrooms here? So you're riding on a former Chicago South Shore Interurban car, which had restrooms on it, but these restrooms have not been cleaned since 1977. I don't even like standing close to them. But never mind, open the door. Somebody say, can you open the door? Don't know what's going to jump out. Yes, I'm only kidding. No, there are bathrooms there, and they haven't been cleaned since 1977. So anyway, why is the East Troy Railroad such a special place here? Why is this a railroad museum, and what's the big deal? Besides riding through the country on a nice day like today, well, it's because you're riding on the only surviving piece of the Milwaukee Electric Railroad, the Milwaukee Electric Railway and Light Company, which originated in 1905 at the Public Service Building in the center of Milwaukee, now the We Energy Building, but it originated as the CMER&L. And it came out along to what is today roughly the Zoo Interchange, and then a branch went out to Watertown through Oconomowoc and Pewaukee and Waukesha, and another branch went down to St. Martin's Church, where it split again, one going to Burlington and the other one coming here to East Troy. So think about what it was like back in 1900, 122 years ago out here. There was